Hello students, welcome to the third lecture of practical geometry. Today we are going to start exercise 4.3 of this chapter. In this exercise we will construct the quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. So first question is, construct a quadrilateral more in which MO 6 cm, OR 4.5 cm, angle M 60 degree, angle O 105 degree, and angle R is also 105 degree. Okay, rough sketch of this quadrilateral is like this. Okay, this is the rough sketch. MO 6 cm. We have to take MO or OR, depend on our choice. ठीक है. Now angle M, angle O and angle R given. So this is your choice, whether you take MO or OR. Now I am taking MO. MO is 6 cm. सो एंगल M पे हम 60 डिग्री का एंगल बनाएंगे, O पे हम 105 डिग्री का एंगल बनाएंगे. देन हमें O से 4.5 सेंटीमीटर की आर्क लेनी है. ठीक है. और वो जो R पॉइंट मिलेगा वहां पे हमें 105 डिग्री का अगेन एंगल ड्रॉ करना है. यहां से 60 डिग्री की रे और 105 डिग्री की रे जिस पॉइंट पे जाके इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे, नेम इट एज E एंड MORE इज द रिक्वायर्ड क्वाड्रिलेटरल. और यहाँ पे हमें 3 एंगल और 2 एडजेसेंट साइड्स गिवन थी, तो हमने क्वाड्रिलेटरल ड्रॉ किया. नाउ कैसे इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है देखिए. टेक अ लेंथ ऑफ 6 centimeter and name it as MO. Okay. Now with O as center and radius, convenient radius, draw an arc. Okay. Don't change the opening of the compass. Now take an arc like this. This is 60 degree angle. Now this is 60 degree angle. Next, at point O, draw an angle of 105 degree. Now, for 105 degree, firstly we have to construct an angle of 90 degree. Okay. Don't change the opening of the compass. First cut, second cut. Okay. Don't change the opening of the compass. This is 90 degree angle. This is dotted. Okay. Now with the help of 90 degree angle, we have to construct 105 degree angle. This is 60 degree, 90 degree, and this is 120 degree. So without changing the opening of the compass, make an arc from 120 degree and 190 degree. Okay. So this is an angle of 105 degree. This is 105 degree angle. Okay. Now next is OR is 4.5 centimeter. Now take a length of 4.5 centimeter from the scale, and from point O take an arc on OY. Okay, name it as R. Now at point O, draw an angle of 100. At point R, draw an angle of 105 degree. Okay, so for this I have to rotate the sheet. Now with O as center, draw an angle. Firstly you have to draw an angle of 90 degree without change the opening of the compass. First cut. This is second cut. Okay. Now first, second, this is 90 degree angle, because with the help of 90 degree angle we have to construct 105 degree angle. Now this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 120 degree. Now without change the opening of the compass, take an arc from 120 degree and an arc from 90 degree. Okay, now the point where these two arcs intersect, join that point with R. Okay, now next, this point where ray MX and ray RZ intersect with each other, name it as E. Okay, so MORE is the required quadrilateral. Okay, this is 4.5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. In this way you have to construct your quadrilateral MORE when two adjacent sides and three angles, angle M, angle O and angle R are given. This is 105 degree, this is also 105 degree. Question number 3 is parallelogram here, HEAR, in which HE and EA are given and angle R is 85 degree. Only one angle is given here. Okay, now rough sketch of this parallelogram is like this, HEAR. अब हमें बेटा यहाँ पे पता है कि एक पैरेललोग्राम के एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री होता है. We have already studied in exercise in chapter 3 that sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. Now if one angle is 85 degree, then other angle is 95 degree. 180 minus 85 is 95 degree. Okay, so this angle is 95 degree. Okay, now first of all take a length of HE. HE is 5 centimeter at E, because angle E is not given here. Okay, so we know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So if E is 85 degree, then angle R is also 85 degree. Okay, at E draw an angle of 85 degree, but you already studied that द मल्टीपल ऑफ 15, जो 15 के टेबल में आते हैं एंगल्स, उनको हम कंपास से ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. रेस्ट ऑफ द एंगल्स जो हैं वो हम अपनी प्रोटेक्टर से बनाते हैं. ठीक है, सो हम एंगल ई जो है वो प्रोटेक्टर से बनाएंगे, देन एंगल एच भी प्रोटेक्टर से बनाएंगे, बिकॉज बोथ 85 एंड 95 आर नॉट द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 15. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक अ लेंथ HE ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर. HE 5 centimeter. Okay, now at point E draw an angle of 85 degree. 85, 90, this is 85. Okay, this is angle 85 degree. Okay, now EA is 6 centimeter. EA is 6 centimeter. Now open your compass of length 6 centimeter. Take an arc like this. This is X. Now name this as A. Okay, 6 centimeter. At point H draw an angle of 95 degree. ये एंगल भी हम कंपास से लेंगे, because 95 is not the multiple of 15. So 90, this is 95. Okay, we know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Therefore take this side also 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter, take an arc of 6 centimeter at here. Now HEA, this point is R. Now we get 2 points A and R, join these points. Okay, this is angle 85 degree, this is angle 95 degree. Hence HEAR is the required parallelogram. This is also 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Hence ये हमारे पास एक पैरेललोग्राम है जो हमारे पास उसकी अपोजिट एक साइड दी थी, ठीक है, 2 साइड्स एंड 1 एंगल इज गिवन. 1 एंगल था हमारे पास 85 डिग्री. हमने सेकेंड एंगल प्रॉपर्टी लगाई, हमने सप्लीमेंट्री प्रॉपर्टी लगा के ये 95 डिग्री एंगल निकाला. देन अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल, सो एंगल आर इज 85 डिग्री, एंगल ई इज ऑल्सो 85 डिग्री. ड्रॉ एंगल 85 with the help of protector and 95 also. Then at E, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. We know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, therefore H and R is also 6 centimeter. In this way, we construct our parallelogram HEAR. Okay, so students, rest of the question part number 2 and 4 is for you. So construct those quadrilaterals. Thank you.